What's up, everyone? So today, this is what happens when I hear scream sound effect. This is hilarious, guys, and I will show you. This is hilarious. Okay.
You're like, really?
You don't see anything? Ow! Don't worry, my sister's a killer. 3, 2, 1.
No. No.
Wow, it's so hilarious. That's when I fell from my chair. This is what happens now when I'm sitting down.
One game you should play is Emoji Blitz. You can earn different kinds of emojis from this game. Well, not just because you play it, you gotta earn a lot of money. But don't worry, you can also earn like other stickers such in here. Like you can earn stickers such in like right over like these stickers. And you can get the actual emoji stickers, and you can place them anywhere.
Okay, so thank you, Emoji Blitz, for sponsoring our video. Back to the video. Okay, now it's time when I sit down.
Yes, Daddy goes crazy. What did you just say? Nada. I said nada. Ow.
Thank you, everyone.